Okay, so first of all, start with GBP USD in a higher time frame perspective. Let's see what happening in here in a 1 day and 4 hour and then 15 minutes. So let's switch into the 1 day. Okay, so as you know, market momentum is a bearish and creating lower lows and pushing downside. And what is a possible scenario in a GBP USD in upcoming days, in upcoming week? Right now, momentum is a bearish and market create structure something here. This is our lower low and lower high. And again, market break this one. And this one is our new lower low. And this one is our new lower high because market break this structure is here. This is our inducement. And this is our inducement. Correct. Yes, this session is a recording. So what happened here? Market trying to push downside, continue, and this is our break of structure in a downside. And again, market break the structure into downside. Let me switch here. Okay. So this is our live price action in a GBP USD in daily time frame. And what happening here at this time, you can see market create structure something like this here. Okay. And then what happened here? Market take pullback and then push downside and again go higher. It means what happened here? Market taken out the inducement, which one is here. And after taking out the inducement, our lower low is the confirm is here, right? So right now market create lower low, which one is here. And after taking out the inducement, probably we are looking for sell. But when we can sell, you can see there is a different like order flow, order block and POI. So you have to understand where is your unmitigated order flow, and then you can refine into order block, right? So start from the top of the structure. If I start from the top, so this is our possible last buying move before the drop, which one is here, correct? Which one is here? So this is our unmitigated order flow. And the another one is here. This one is our last buying move before the drop, which one is here. But this order flow is already partially mitigated. So we have a chance that market can be pushed higher to mitigate this one before the drop into. Okay. So this can be your next order flow, which is unmitigated. And this one is mitigated. Why? Market break this one and next candle push higher and mitigate this order flow. So now possible market can be pushed higher to taken out this extreme, which one here, right? So after taking out the extreme, what is a possible scenario is here? Market can be tap your order block, which one is here, right? And why I'm marking this one? First thing you need to understand, first one is our order flow, because this one is our unmitigated order flow. And second thing, market previous candle taken out the stop loss, which is an indication this order block is a much better than this one, correct? So this order block is our much better. Okay. So we can expect if market price go higher, and we can buy for the short term is here till this zone, right? Once market tap this zone, and you have to wait for the lower time frame confirmation, and then we can sell, correct? So this is our possible scenario in upcoming days in a GBP USD, and we can see some retracement to the upside in a GBP USD pair. So this is our daily time frame story. Now let's switch into the 15-minute, then we can understand what happening here in a intraday time frame. What happened here? All right. So now in a 15-minute structure, what happening here in a GBP USD and what is a possible scenario in upcoming week? So first start your marking the structure. So everyone mark here structure. Mark here a 15-minute GBP USD structure right now. Everyone. Mark the major higher high and higher low in a 15-minute structure. You can use annotate tool to mark here. Okay. Okay, perfect everyone. So in this case, first of all, you have to understand which level market is pushing higher high. And in this case, you can see this one is our extreme low, which actual market go higher at this point. So before to confirm this low, where is our inducement? So this was our inducement. That means this lower low is a confirm here. And after that, where is our recent structure, previous structure? So you have to identify in this left side, this is our breakthrough structure and this was our inducement. It means this was our new higher high, sorry, higher low and lower low, sorry, lower low and lower high structure, something like this. Taken out the inducement, okay, and then go higher. And this one is our change of character, right? So generally, this is our structure. Which one is here? Lower low and lower high. Change the color, right? And this one is our break off structure. After break the structure, what you need to, where is our inducement? In this case, like here, break the structure is here, right? And before this break of structure, this is like a equal high, right? And after taking out the equal high, we can also sell because market momentum was bearish, but you have to mark the structure first. So this one is our change of character, okay? So this one is our change of character, market push higher. Where is our inducement? If you can see here, this one is our minor inducement. Which one is here? Correct. Major inducement is here. but both inducement are valid, and we can also take after taking out the inducement, we can consider as a higher high. But when market taken out the major inducement, which one is here, and how we can identify them, that which one is a major and minor? Simply you can identify by a pullback, like 2-3 candles are pullback is a, like sometime this one is a minor. If previous is a larger, okay, that means this is our major inducement. So this one is our first inducement. It means confirm the higher high is here, because market momentum shift bearish to bullish, right? So this one is our new structure is here. And in the next attempt, when we can consider as a change of, break of structure, once market break this high, which one is here, and close above it. So at this point, you can see market just sweep the liquidity in a first attempt. But what happened here in the next attempt also is here, market just close above it, but it's close like a partially, you can say, right? But in this case, if you can see when market close above it, so we can consider this is our new, this is our new lower low, higher low, and market go higher. But in this case, there is no inducement. So where is our inducement? Is here, right? So what we can here, we can transfer our this high to this high, right? Why? Because in this leg there is no inducement, like this. Okay, so this high transfer here to here. Okay, in the next attempt, market close above it. Okay, so we can transfer this high to this low is here, right? In the next attempt, what happened here? Market close above it, right? So this change of character is become a valid when market close above it in the next attempt, right? Because in this section, this is a little bit tricky, and when market close above it, so this is a valid shock, but there is no inducement, so we can't consider this is a like a higher high. So before the confirmation higher high, market must be taken out the inducement, right? So where is our inducement? This was a previous minor low, right? So after taking out the low, market create this higher low and market go higher. In the next attempt, market close above it. So this high transfer here to here. And the next attempt, where is our new structure and where is our inducement? So you can see here, market go higher and higher. There is no pullback in this leg. Market create short-term pullback is here, like this, right? And go higher. And before this go higher, market just sweep the liquidity is here. But this is not much reliable. As I told you that this is, you can say, a minor inducement, right? Why? Because market taken out the previous candle low. So we have a two pullback. First is here, second is here. So once market taken out the inducement, our higher high is a confirm. Which one is here? Okay. So this one is our new higher high. And when market taken out the inducement, and then market confirm the higher high. And in this case, where is our range between this high and between this low, right? So this is our single leg move. So when we can buy, in this case, you have to identify where is our order flow and when we can take a buy entry. If you are looking the entire order flow, is here. This is our last selling move, entire selling move before this buy. Which one is here? Which is already mitigate here. Okay, but this is a larger, very larger, right? But this is a correct way to mark the order flow, because this is a last selling move before this buy. If market taken out this low, which one is here? So this move become our new order flow, something like this. But we can refine here larger order block within order flow. Sorry, this Okay, and this one is also partially mitigate here, right? And now let's switch back into the this order flow. Okay, why? Because market taken out the little bit pullback and go higher. So this is our uh, recent extreme order flow when we can take a buy entry, and market already taken out the inducement and market upon the order flow, and then we can buy, right? So we can buy for the like upside move in a GBP USD in a 15-minute structure. And go higher. This is a smart money trap, you can say, because there is no inducement. So a lot of people are buy here on this order block, which is actual, is not a valid order block. Which one is here, right? And people are looking, this one is a chalk, and then this order block and sell. But what happened here? Market tap on the order block, and then market give reaction, okay, and then go higher after collect all money, and then market push higher. So this is a possible scenario in a GBP USD in a 15-minute structure, and I hope this is a very interesting for the new members, especially. Okay, it's boss, it just not change. Can you repeat again? Okay. Like this was our new structure is here, like here, something like this, right? And then market go higher, change of character. After change of character, what happened here? Market like close of it, taken out the inducement. So this is our confirm high. And then what happened here? Market taken out the inducement, market go again higher. And in the next attempt, this is our new like break of structure. Sorry. So this is our new break of structure. And the in the next attempt, what happened here? Market did not create any inducement. So how we can mark the our higher high after taking out this low, which was our previous higher low is here, and this was our new higher high, right? So in this case, there is no inducement. So what happened here? Market this high transfer here to here. Okay, if there is any inducement like here, right? So taking out the inducement and we can go higher. So the boss and again boss, right? For Hindi members, I will do another session, right? So don't worry. And this is a English session. And if you don't know English, so you can leave or ignore. And I will do another session tomorrow for the Hindi members only. Okay, so this is a possible scenario in a GBP Now let's switch back into the, sorry, what happened? Okay, so now let's switch into the another pair, which is Euro USD. Okay, start from the daily time frame perspective and before the daily. Now let's switch into the daily, sorry, weekly. I did not check what happening here in a Euro USD in a weekly time frame. Euro is almost equal to the dollar right now. So this is our previous recent structure here because market taken out the low, taken out the inducement and go higher. And then what happened here? Taken out the inducement, create new structure is here and again go higher. taken out the inducement. Okay, change of character. And after that, this is our new structure and something like this. I don't know. Here. Okay. This I transfer here because there is no inducement and this law. Chalk. This is a single leg. Take this. Okay. So right now is a bearish momentum in a weekly time frame in a Euro USD, and a market break the structure is here. And you can say this is a change of character also, because this before this change of character market was bullish. And what happened here? Market, if you mark the correct order flow from the top of this structure, then you can understand what is possible in a Euro USD. This order flow is mitigated. This one is also mitigated. And this one is looks unmitigated order flow. Which one is here? Correct. And the next one is here. Okay. And this one is also like a break and go higher. So this can be also mitigated. This one is also mitigated by this move. This one is also mitigated. So only this order flow is unmitigated is here. So in the next upcoming months, market can be tested here if market looks bullish, because all order flow is mitigated, only one order flow is unmitigated, which one is here, right? So this is a very long-term story in a weekly time frame, but we are mostly here a day trader, so we have to focus on the 15-minute, which is a very enough, and daily time frame for the like daily perspective. Okay. So in a daily time frame structure looks a similar story, like a lower lows, lower high, pick the structure is here. And then after that, what happened here? This is a single like is here. Even, yeah, this one is a confirm here. This high confirm here. It means this one is our new lower low. Which one is here, right? And this one is our break of structure is here. Okay. Break of structure and taken out the inducement, this lower low confirm, and this is an entire a single move, right? So you have to mark the order flow first in a daily time frame. Okay. So this one looks like a unmitigated order flow. Which one is here? And the next order flow, which one is here, which is already mitigated here. And the third order flow, which one is here? This one is also very close to mitigated. So if market tap here, for example, then we can also sell in a USD. Why? Because market taken out the inducement is here, and this was the next order flow which is mitigated, and this is an unmitigated. First one is here and second is here. Only two order flows are working, and most of the time, and between this order flow, all order flow is mitigated already. So when market type here and we can sell, when market type here and then we can also sell here, right? Now let's switch back into the 15-minute structure. Okay. If you start the marking structure from the bottom, then how you will mark the structure? Everyone mark here, measure structure, higher high and higher low. Just following this law. Okay. All right. So if you mark the structure first, so this is our lower low, and before this lower low, there is our lower high. Which one is here? Why? Because market break this low. I'm sorry, like this inducement. This is a lower low and go higher. Break this one, and where is our inducement? I think this one. Yes, this one. So after taking out the inducement, lower low is a confirm. Change of character. Inducement is here. Minor inducement. And this one looks major inducement. Higher high confirm. Break this downside. In the next attempt, market just sweep the liquidity. But in the next attempt, market close of it. So this become our break of structure. Not here. Because this is a liquidity sweep. Right. So this one is our boss, and this is our chalk, and this high can transfer here to here, okay, and then confirm here, right? And then what happened here? Market push downside, taken out the inducement, structure this one, again break off the structure, and go higher and higher, and taken out the inducement. This high is here. So right now we have a range between this low and this high, and we can mark the order flow. And if you start marking the order flow, so this could be like this, okay. So this is your demand zone, like POI zone, sorry, this is your order flow, and you can refine your POI zone, demand zone right here. So these are all unmitigated order flow. Which one is here? But actual order flow is here, this one, because this is the last selling move before the buy, and price trading between this. If price tap here between this big order flow, and these are order flow within order flow, right? So market already taken out the inducement, and we can buy is here, and the next one is here, because only two POI, two order block is actually a work. Okay. Price must be have imbalance, taken out the liquidity, and then you can use it. Okay. Okay. So this is a possible scenario in a Euro USD. Price type here and give any direction here, and then we can buy. And go higher. Okay. All right. So now let's switch back into the another one. The last pair, I think Bitcoin, crypto market. Start from daily. Okay. Market again push downside. Okay. Let's check the weekly first. Tap on this out of block is here. Okay. This is a new POI. And now switch into the 4 hour. If you start marking the 4 hour structure, here, this is our new lower low, taking out the inducement. Okay. There is no valid structure. Which one is here? Okay. So price trading between this measure high or low, right? And price going upside, break the structure, and now turn back into the extreme. Let's see. Okay. Looks interesting. I don't know this order block mitigate or not. I think no. Very partially. Okay. Tap here and what happened here? Change of character. Press create any inducement and then buy. Right. So this is a possible scenario in a Bitcoin in upcoming days. You can say this is a like trendline liquidity also. All right. Now let's switch back into the 15-minute. 15-minute looking a bullish in a Bitcoin. 15-minute looks bullish if I start marking the structure. And a lot of people ask me that where we should start the marking structure. You have to mark your structure from top of the move and bottom of the move. So in this case, where is our bottom of the move? Which level market push higher at this point? So this is our new like lower lows, which is actual lower low. And we can start marking a structure after that. Taken out the inducement is here. So this lower low is confirmed here. And before this one, where is our structure? Okay. Okay, this one is here. Taken out the inducement and push downside. But this is our biggest change of character. Which one is here? And then market continue pushing higher high and create structure. Something new is here. Here, sweep the liquidity, which just means this high transfer here to here and still sweep the liquidity. So we can sweep high to here. And this low is not confirmed here. So this is our like a structure as a single move. Which one is here? So price can be break this high and create inducement. Can you mark the 4 hour Bitcoin chart? Okay. Okay, so in this case, if you're starting marking the structure, you have to mark where is our highest point. In this case is here. So you can start follow this high and you can follow the structure like here. This high is here. And which one is the group? This one. Inducement, this high confirm. Inducement. And this is a change of character is here. And in this case, I think not a break this high. Let me check. Okay, this high is a breach. It means this become our new lower low, and this become our new lower high. And again, market break the structure. Right. And right now, this is our highest point and this is the lowest point. Basically, price trading between this high and this low. All right, guys. So I think we should start now little bit some quick bar play back testing. Which pair you do you wanna suggest me? And we can bar play together, everyone. Okay, GBP USD, Euro USD. Okay, any other pair or same pair? US 30, Euro USD, Nasdaq, Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Today we will try a different pair like okay, Aussie dollar. I did not. Okay, let's see. So start from the 15-minute structure. All right. So first of all, mark the correct structure. Then we will like which part we wanna like you wanna back testing in this entire section. We can start from any top of the move and bottom of the move, and this will help you a lot, right? So we can understand that, okay, you can choose any any POI because if you are like when press tap on your POI, then you can understand what happening here in a lower time frame, which will be more helpful for everyone and this will save your time. Okay, so okay, and if you are start from the here like taking out the engineer liquidity is here, taking out the extreme you can say also, and after taking out this high and we can stack multiple position, this is our target, correct? Okay, let's see what happened here. In the bottom side, market create like strong demand zone. Which one is here? And you can say also support and resistance type of liquidity. So a lot of people will be introduced when market type here, and they will give it little bit reaction sometime and then market push downside. So these are a strong indication that market actually looking for the drop in upcoming days, because market creating liquidity is here. And a lot of people are buying here on this level. They put this stop loss just below it, right? And they create liquidity is here. Now let's see what happened next here. So this is our high, which must be taken out. Correct. Now let's see what happened next here. And extend this high. Okay. So once market taken out this high, we can start selling. Which level we are looking for sell? So this one is our order block, which must be like mitigate here. If price not mitigate here, we can apply here anti-type 2. Why? Because market taken out the like I think there's instant liquidity, yeah, or you can say extreme. And when market taken out the high and price close above it, then you can apply anti-type 2. And in anti-type 2, how price react? Like here, let me show you exactly. In at this point, price must be move something like this. And then what happened here? Market push downside, taken out this high, and then we can start selling. And this will be happening into 1 minute structure. Okay. So after taking out the previous high, you have to wait for the first bit, what the mitigation this one. And if price did not mitigate here and give any small reaction is here, then you can switch into 1 minute structure for the sell. Right. Now let's see what happened next here. Okay. So finally, market type here, which is a strong indication, and price type on your PY. And now you can switch into 1 minute for the sell. If anything fit in our criteria, then you can sell. So now let's switch back into the 1 minute directly is here. Okay. So in this case, where is our confirmation of when we can take entry? Where is our chalk? Everyone mark where is our chalk? Which level must be broken, and then we can sell. Okay, perfect. And this one is our most recent low is here, and then we can sell here like this one, right? And after break this low and market create something this one, taken out this high, and then we can start selling here. If market like break this low and then go higher, we can't sell here blindly. We need inducement before the buy or sell, right? Let's see. Okay, so at this point you can see here what happened here. Market break this low, which one is here, right? And this one is our change of character. After change of character, this is our indication that market looking for the sell. But in this case, where is our inducement? Still no. So you have to pay attention here. This one is not inducement. Why? Because the before previous candle did not break the low, which is a single leg is here. So you have to wait for it. Still no inducement. Okay. Now market create inducement. Where is our inducement? Perfect. So this one is our inducement. If price taken out this high, then we can sell here. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, perfect. So now our inducement shift here to here because market creating structure something like this. Okay, but look at this price action is here first. This one is not our inducement still. Why? Because this is not valid pullback, and this one is not our inducement. This high is not our inducement. Why? Because this pullback is not valid as per our plan. This black candle high, this black candle low are protected. Market simply pushing downside. And if anything happen between this high or low, doesn't matter. Price must be taken out this high. So this can be a valid pullback. So this high is still our, you can say, yes. Now let's see. Perfect. So this is our inducement, taken out this inducement, and when we can sell. Exactly. And yes, entry type 3, perfect, because market taken out the stop loss. And we can set our stop loss just above it, and target will be M15 low. Which one is here? Or you can set as per the liquidity higher time frame. And the another possible scenario, if market, for example, if market go higher, right, break this high, okay, so market can be go higher because this looks like a strong resistance type of liquidity also, right, because market type 2 times 3 times is here on the same point, and the left side there is no order block, but we are just following the inducement. Market break the structure, taken out the inducement, and we are looking for the liquidity sweep as per our entry type 3, and we can sell here. So let's see what is a possible scenario is here now. Okay. All right. So market did not tap our order block, you know, market break the low is here. There's another order block, it's not tap here, is here. And after break this low, confirm, exactly. Market break this low. And after break this low, we can sell after taking out the inducement. In this case, where is our inducement? Is here. Market must be taken out this high and then we can sell on the next entry. Now let's see. And first marking the structure is here. And where is our order flow? This order flow mitigated, and this one mitigated, and this one is unmitigated looks. Okay. So this zone is a more valid looking here for sell at this point. If price type here and give any reaction is here, then we can also sell. And the next type of entry available here, if market taken out the inducement, which is here, like break this high and give any reaction is here, then we can also sell here. Now let's see. Oh, down. This is our flip entry module. You know, when price type here and give a reaction and then we can sell. But in this case, market there is no liquidity taken out. So we can sell after taking out this high? Let's see. Okay. Market is not giving any opportunity for the sell here. Don't know. Done. Mm-hmm. Actually, at this point, which you marking here, this candle is not taken out by this high. Let me check first. Both are looking equal high. If this candle taken out by this one, so we can use this order block for the sell, which can be this one, right? But market did not sweep this high, right? So we can't sell here, but market taken out the inducement and then sell. All right, let's see. Here is our inducement. Inducement is here, and when we can sell after break this law, give any direction, then we can sell. Let's see. And the next entry possible on the extreme. Okay. So right now, what happened here? Market break this low. Which one is here? And first taken out the inducement or taken out the liquidity. Market taken out this high, and we can sell here and put the stop loss just above it on this order block. Which one is here? At this point. And target will be same, which will be here. And let's see. And first thing, market just sweep the liquidity. So this can be a fail. And this is our decisional POI. You can say decisional entry. Market first taking out the liquidity and trying to go higher, maybe to mitigate something here. And then we can also say, right. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. Oh shit. Market break the structure again here, and now we can again sell after taking out the inducement and wait for the develop more price action is here, and this high act like an inducement which is here and mitigate this order flow, and now we can sell here if anything looks at this candle which you mark here, taking out this high, right, and sweep the liquidity. If you are selling here, right, so where is our stop loss, which will be here? But this is a very like aggressive entry for the sell, but this like a valid entry also, but this is very aggressive entry for the sell, right? So we can take this one first entry and the next entry if anything develop here, and then we can add one more position and the safer stop loss just above it, which is a very larger, right? So let's take 2 pip stop loss is here. And if price create any other state like price go higher, okay, and then taken out the inducement, and then we can again sell here, taken out the inducement, tap here on this order block, and then we can sell, right? Let's see. Okay. And this one looks like a smart money trap, this one. And let's see. Perfect. So this one like a smart money trap, why? Because there is no inducement and market go higher, and in the future if market can again came back this zone, right? Because this is our order flow, and keep any entry opportunity here, that then we can also sell here, right? Let's see. Going well. Okay, everyone. Now we can see market break this low, taken out this inducement, and we can sell on this order block is here. Perfect. Okay. Put this stop loss just above it. Okay, let's see. And this is our decisional entry. This is our, like you can say, extreme, like high probability entry, right? And this is happening between the internal structure. Okay. Right. Now press tap on the extreme one, which one is here. And now press, if market keep any any bearish condition is here, then we can sell here. And this one is our new high probability POI for the sell. Okay. There is no choke still. Actually, we can use this order block is also, but you have to put your stop loss just of it, right? We can use this single kind of order block is here, but if you are, if you can set a stop loss just of it, which is a safer side, and then we can use. And sometime what happen here, and this is a very aggressive entry for the sell, and market move something like this, and then market can be go higher, right? And then market break this low and go downside, something like this. So let's see. Oh. So this is your another loss. All right. This high is here. Mm, this one. Okay. The last inducement you mark not an inducement because that's inside our master. Yeah, it's right, not inducement, I think. This one. Let me check. Correct. Yes, you are right. This is a single candle, single move, sorry, because this high and this low is a protecting still. And this is a inducement. Perfect. Exactly. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is actual inducement is here, which is here. And this inducement is a mark by mistake is here by my mistake because this candle high and this low is a protecting and this is a single leg and market happening here. And this is actual inducement. Taken out this high and then we cancel. Perfect. Very nice, everyone. And one more thing is here. This is a pullback and giving here and fill this. And this is a called flip entry module also, right? And market already sweep the previous candle high. Let's see. And when market taken out the previous candle high and we can also sell, right? Is here. But you have to put your stop loss just away it. In this case, right? And if market fill this demand is here mini demand and this convert into D2S demand to supply, then we can again sell. Let's see. Okay, this demand still valid. Yes, now this demand is a failed and where is our order flow? This bullish candle is here, right? So if price tap here, give any single candle mitigation entry, then we can sell here. If not, then we can also find. Okay, perfect. Break the structure, taking out the inducement, which is here. Yes. Yes. Market taken out the inducement and we can sell on this order block. Yes, yeah. Put the stop loss just over it. And this high is taken out the liquidity, right? And this is your final target. Let's see. Okay, tap the order. Oh, another loss. This one is one more a loss is here because this was a new inducement here because market close a bit and go higher. I'm doing something wrong here to mapping the inducement and mapping the structure. Okay, it's okay. All right, so it's okay, everyone. And so these are actually raw back testing because I don't trade Aussie USD and mostly I trade Euro USD and GBP USD. So first entry was here, which is missed by a few couple of pips. And the next possible entry was here, which gave a move. And this is a loss 1, 2. And this is these two trades by taking out by my mistake, but it's okay. And this trade, taking out the inducement and sell, which is work very fine. And break the structure. And this one is internal. Oh, this one is a not inducement, actual inducement. Okay. Yes, perfect. You are right. And this was actual inducement, which is taken out this one, and we can sell here like anti-type 3, and then we can sell. Yes. Okay. Actually, why my mistake? Like 2, 3 entry, why my mistake? But it's okay. All right. So overall, if you calculate the RR, so 1 minus 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour. Okay. And this trade can be your break even because this trade pushed on side almost 6 hour, right? So this trade mostly you can break even after break this minor structure. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 are minus, and this trade is enough for the 7 hour, and minus you will get a 3 hour like yes, entry type 3 we can enter immediately. Correct. Like here, taken out this high and close below it, so we can sell here. Put this stop loss just. This is a type called like a entry type 3. This one is also. So if this inducement taken out this high, close below it, we can instantly sell here. All right. So now we have to switch into the little bit question answer, and after that I will finish session. Yes, I will do exactly. I will do a back testing for every week. Okay, and this will help you a lot to everyone, and every day, every week, new pairs, which is majority pair, not for a specific, not any pair, like every pair, mostly GU, EU, and majority in our community trade these two pair. So I will focus on GU and EU. AU I don't trade. I don't know how it's actually. Okay, I'm not familiar with Aussie USD, but Euro USD, GBP USD is a very good also pair. Gold also good pair. And I will do every week this type of backtesting session. Okay, so if there is any other question, if anybody wants ask me, then you can ask me in the chat section also. Then after that, I will finish the session. No more forecast. Can you put your forecast on your Discord channel? Yes, I will do forecast on the like Monday. And I will do every day forecast and markup in a Discord from the Monday. I will do continue because the recent weeks was very much a busy schedule. So I was unable to post like this thing, but I will do. I have a doubt. Can you repeat? Okay. Yes, you. Some shark. I don't know where you are. Mm, I trade every session, like Asian session, London session, and New York also. I can trade. If like if anything fit as per your plan criteria, then you can buy or sell. Session is not means your like session gives you a volume actually when you sleep. I sleep 4 to 5 hours only. Take EU chart, bro. Okay. Okay. So this one is your Euro USD chart and 5 minute and 15 minute. In a Taiwan. Oh, I unmute you, but I don't know. Okay. Now you can unmute yourself and you can ask me.
Hello, hello. Am
Yeah.
I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Price create this higher high. Okay.
Okay.
Then we take to the down downtime sell entries, right?
Mm-hmm.
We are now at broad trend, bullish.
Yes.
So when we take to the buy side trades, how we take it's going to upside.
Mm-hmm.
We
Uh, yeah. Actually, when market is a bullish or bearish, it doesn't matter. But you have to wait for
okay.
the at least taken out the inducement, taken out the liquidity, and then we can buy or sell.
Okay. First, we must wait for the taking inducement
Exactly.
or
Mm-hmm.
and then price come below and we need to choose something for taking buy for looking for buy.
Mm-hmm. After taking out the inducement is here, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Then you have to identify where is your order block, your or like here, this one. It looks a very smaller. What happened here? Market type
Okay.
here, give little bit reaction and then fail. It means this inducement is not able to sustain this price action and market can be type your extreme, right? It means
Okay.
so what happened here? Like this and taken out this high and we can start sell here for the short term till the extreme maybe here and maybe here, right? So we can short term quick sell here. We can also sell it there, but I'm just giving you example to taken out the inducement we can sell. And the next one, when price tap on your like extreme demand zone or anything, for example here, then you can identify like this and go higher. Chalk, taken out the inducement, mitigate this order block, and then we can buy here.
Okay.
Okay.
So price create and higher high, we can look for sell entries for
Mm-hmm.
short term sells.
Yeah, but those trade are counter trend, but those are
Yes,
very
yes.
little bit risky because you are trading against the major trend.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. All right, guys. So if there is any other question, if anybody wants me, you can ask me here in a chat section or unmute yourself. And after that, I will finish this session. And this weekend, okay, do some back testing, do some homework and study chart and focus only 2 3 things who joined recently in our community. So I will suggest you focus on the marking the structure. Structure is a very important for you in a smart money concept, because if your structure is a correct, okay, structure is a correct, then 60% of the work already done. And then you have like 2 things only left. Second is liquidity and third is your entry. Structure, liquidity and entry. Don't focus on multiple things, focus on very less thing, right? Less is a more. Simply focus on structure, identify the liquidity, wait for the liquidity are taken out and then enter. Simple. Don't make it complicated to apply indicators, to apply other strategy, another thing, because everything is a liquidity. Okay, let's look at the NAS 100 for quick. Okay, if I'm starting from the top, sorry, bottom, where market push higher. So right now, what happened here? First of all, mark the structure. Which one is here? Let me check this one. Okay, perfect. So this is our lower low inducement taken out. Okay. Taken out the inducement. So this can be a change of character, which one is here. And after this change of character, we can buy, taken out the inducement, mitigate this order flow, which one is here, like this. And the next is like this order flow is mitigated. Everything is mitigated here. Right. This is an entire order flow. And below it, everything is mitigated. Right. So only this order flow is unmitigated. If price came back this level, and you can buy here because this is our unmitigated demand zone. Which one is here? Right. Taken out the inducement, type here, and then we can buy. If this order flow is a failed, for example, so what you should do in this case? You can sell after failed this demand zone. Which one is here? Right. Then you can sell here. I don't know what happening here in H4. Let's see. I'm sorry. Okay, change of character was here. Taken out the inducement, push downside. And I don't know how you are saying that 4-hour supply. There is no 4-hour supply, but this is a counter trend. Yes. This is a counter trend supply. Actually, if you can see into downside, market break this low, taken out the inducement, and probably looking here for sell, but market respect them and go higher. So can be market more higher to fill this order flow, which one is here, right? And this order flow is here, right? So first order flow is here when we are looking for the sell, because this is our unmitigated, and below this every order block, or sorry, order flow is mitigated, right? So these two order flow are unmitigated, so you can sell once market tap here. Okay, guys. So if there is anything, you can ask me. I'm going to stop the